So if you're not sure what to make for the guest, I just like quickly grab this agar-agar. It's like around 16 ringgit. I mean, if you buy individually, of course, it's much more. But here I have the agar-agar and that's some hot water. So I'm going to let it soak for around half an hour while we boil all the other stuff. Already, if you see there's this dot here, so that's 1.5 liter. This is 2, this is 2.2 liters. That's the capacity of the bowl. Right, so now we add in all the ingredients. We put in the red date, dried longan, raisins. So if you have already the ingredients, you can actually add more red dates, remove the raisins, add more dried longans, up to you. The pandan leaves, and last but not least, the barley. What we do is we're going to place the cover, put the simmering basket on top. Okay, so for half an hour at speed 100, I want it to boil. I will put it on reverse so that it doesn't break all the stuff that's in there, and at speed 1 so that it will continue to come to boil. And you can add in the rock sugar in. So I'll cook it for 10 minutes. Click this for the reverse speed, 90 degrees, and at speed 1. That's it. To let the sugar... Oh no. Ooh. How's it, Raina?
Nice.
Yeah, it's actually.
I give a 10 out of 10.
Wow.
The reason why? Because it's creative. Because it's with barley and
longan
and
red dates.
And
Your turn to review.
2 more.
Okay.
Because I love barley.
Wow. Thank you, Raina.